I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend, and these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
During this past 1.5 years, everybody is glued to the screen. Everyone's screen time has increased many folds. And the most common issues that we are facing and we are seeing is eyesight. Yes. Specs I can see for so many children. I can see even adults, the numbers going higher. So I just thought that this particular video is going to be really beneficial to each one of us, because in this video I'm going to be talking about 8 such things which are going to do magic for you in terms of your eyesight. I'll not say that आपकी eyesight वापस से ठीक हो जाएगी, but for sure the number will decrease. Whatever number is right now will decrease if you follow them seriously and sincerely. So first and the foremost thing I'm going to be talking about is the food. Of course, we all love to have food, but there are a couple of things which are really good for eyes. So let me quickly list down those that ensure that out of this whole list which I'm giving you, at least consume 3 things. Yes, 3 things every day. Any 3 choice is yours. The list is long. You can either take a screenshot or you can write down all these foods. The first and the foremost, carrots, eggs, milk, spinach, black currants, kishmish, all the greens, green vegetables, fish or fish oil, pumpkin, citrus fruits, blueberries, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and walnuts. So isn't the list huge? And believe you me, they're all extremely good for eyes. Correct? When you cut a carrot, you understand, right? It is just like that. Similarly, when you cut a kiwi, you understand. The look is exactly the way our eyes are. You know, the God has created, nature has created things for us so as to understand. We should understand what is meant for what, but we only evade them and we don't use them. So first and foremost, I told you food, you can pick and choose. Now second important thing is eye exercises. Now eye exercises, we fail to understand what kind of exercises. They are very simple, you can finish it off in 5 minutes actually. First and the foremost, up and down. So while you are sitting in the morning, having your cup of tea, so instead of browsing on the phone, 5 minutes give to your eyes. What first exercise would be? Looking up and down 10 times, up, down, up, down. So this you will do 10 times. 10 times you will do left and right, left and right, left and right. 10 times you will do clockwise circle with your eyeballs. One complete circle and then circle, second circle and third circle and fourth circle. Similarly 10. Then we'll go anti-clockwise. 1 and 2 and 3. So this is how it is. Apart from the exercises, while we have completed any one set of exercise which is up and down and left and right, we must close our eyes and tightly and open. Close our eyes tightly and open, because this is going to help our eyes. The muscles are going to be tightened and then relaxed, tightened and then relaxed, right? Then the blood, the flow of the blood in the veins will be there. The way we clasp our grip and immediately leave it, so we can feel the blood rushing. All right, now I move to the next. Along with the eye exercises, it is very important. The entire nervous system, it takes you down. So your neck movement and your shoulder movement is equally important. So for the neck and the shoulder movement, left and right, that means your chin should be touching your neck, and similarly up. So this also again I'll say 10 times. 10 times you should be doing left and right, the same as you did with your eyes. 10 times you should be doing up and down, the same circular movements, and the shoulder movements, that is clockwise and the anti-clockwise. They do wonders, believe you me. Just 5 minutes of this will bring magic into yourself. You will feel so very fresh and rejuvenated. I do this almost every third day and it really recharges my eyes. Now I move to another very important thing, looking at the sun. You'll say, are you crazy? No, I'm not crazy. The first thing in the morning, the rising sun. I'm not talking about sun at 10 or 12 or 9. No, when the sun rises, if it is at 5:30 in the morning, the first half an hour of the time when the sun rises is the ideal time to look at sun. And believe you me, initially you might have the watery eyes, initially, but after that it will be so much of a clarity in your vision that you will find, you will say thank you to me. But please ensure, a sign of warning I'm giving you again here, that beyond half an hour of sunrise, please do not look at the sun straight in the eyes. Then forget it. Unless and until you are an early riser, 5:30ish, then you can, otherwise don't do this exercise. Now I move to the next one, which is rubbing of the palms, right? So once, at least 4 to 5 times during the day, while you are doing your work on the screen, I would suggest that 20 times rub your palms, right? And put them on your eyes. There will be so much of a heat generated, and believe me, it will be like magic for you. Try doing this. Another important thing is that we do it with holding the pencil. Just a minute. So, sorry, yeah, here it is. So when you have a pencil, this I remember we used to do when we were kids, because we used to have a lot of fun doing it. So the pencil is here at this eye's length, and then we are gradually bringing it closer, 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 and closer and closer, and then slowly and gradually we'll take it away from our eyes. So do this at least 3 times. All right. Now the next, which is another very, very important aspect, is sleep pattern. Unless and until you are going to give rest to your eyes, after all, they are working throughout the day, right? And you need to give them. Whenever you will be sleep deprived, immediately the next day the impact will show in your eyes. So please ensure that you are sleeping well for good amount of time. Another important aspect is 20 by 20 rule. So for 20 minutes, if you are glued to a screen, either get up from the desk, take a walk for 20 seconds, or else just don't look at the screen for 20 seconds. Look elsewhere, close your eyes, open your eyes, rub your hands, do this, or else you can just try, take a walk and come back for 20 seconds and then be back. These are the things which are going to really, really help you. They are magical. Yes, if in case you're not able to get up in the morning and look at the sun, then another very important one is that you can gaze at the light, the diya which you lit in the temple, for about 1 minute. Just keep looking at the flame of the diya, the tip of the flame of the diya. Just keep looking at it. It's such a beautiful sight actually. And then once you look at it and you remove your eyes from there, for some time you might feel that hazy picture of black, the tip of the candle or the diya or the flame, but then it will vanish after a while, but it will be really good and impactful. That's also good for memory, so you can do that exercise also. So these were a couple of things that I explained it to you. They are magical, they do wonders. Yes, you can also have Brahmi, you can have ashwagandha, you can add herbs in your food, or else while you are taking a glass of milk, you can add munakka, or you can use kishmish. So any of these soaked dry fruits which you will be adding will also be beneficial to you. So I think this video makes a lot of it gives you a lot of help, and also it tries I'll try my level best to tell you that please ensure using as many possible things. You can pen down, list down, so that stick it so that you don't forget it. And once you have a look at it, you will be able to see what you need to do. So thank you so very much for getting connected with Nitty-Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik. And this was one question which was coming to my mind and was being genuinely asked by so many parents and so many people regarding eyesight. I thought this is the best way to get back to you on this. Thanks so very much, and God bless you. Stay abundant. And the next one is on sacral chakra. So let's wait for that. God bless. Thank you once again.